Hello everyone, it's 6th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have Modi Putin chart roadmap, labor mobility and energy, trade and defense. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have repo rate cut 25 BP to 5.25%. Rare Goldilocks period, says RBI governor. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have after not the era of war, PM frames Ukraine, India not neutral on the side of peace. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have more than 1,000 flights cancelled. DCGA gives Indigo relief from new night rules for pilots. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the government is in denial over sex ratio in Haryana. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, the Putin visit, and there are multiple news in it. Very important for international relations perspective. Must go through it. Then moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have two important editorials for Putin, a political win, for India, a stable partner. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have new labor codes are a win-win for workers and employers. Again, very important for employment perspective. Moving forward, we have 6 years after Ayodhya verdict, new mosque is still a work in progress. Design is in, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have women wildlife trafficking kingpin arrested in Sikkim. Again very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have the explained page. Why Delhi High Court rejected semaglutide patent suit. Again very important for health perspective, law perspective. Then we have significance of DRDO's recent fighter pilot ejection test. Again very important for defense perspective. Then we have amid rupees fall, how investors are shunning the economy. Again very important for economic perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have RBI GOV plays down rupee fall as currency breaches 90 mark. Then we have RBI to pump almost rupees 1.5 lakh crore into banking system in this month. Then we have central bank rewards Goldilocks face more rate cuts on horizon. Again very important for economic perspective. Going forward, we have the world page where we have US admiral says no, kill them all, order in strike on Venezuelan boats. Then we have Russian sees talks progress to engage further with the US. Then we have Germany backs military service law amid Russian threat. Then we have Taiwan, Japan voice concern over Chinese military movements. Lastly, we have Asim Munir appointed Pakistan's first Chief of Defense Forces. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. That is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.